Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to learn how to set the password when you start the computer. So you need to go on the start button, press it, and then this icon, press this icon. Then you will go on this page, user account. So here is the option change your password. So check it, and then you will see this option. You will write here your current password, and then you need to write the new password, confirm your new password, and here is the hint, type a password hint. So this is the hint. If you forget your password, then computer will help you to show your hint, so you can remember your password by seeing the hint. So anybody can see this hint, so you should know, only you should know the hint, and you can get the idea by that hint. Hint should not be so easy, so anyone, so other body cannot be use that hint. So you can write any hint here. So this is the way to change the password or write down the password. If you will write the password first time, then you will see the option here, set the password. So you need to press that option. So the same window will be open, and you will see only two block, new password and confirm the password. So the remaining process will be the same. I think you have liked this video. Share this video with others and subscribe my channel for further important videos, and press bell icon for notification. Stay blessed.